poetry medley. 3 short poems for you today. Vivien. It was written in 1996. You came, walking slowly, soft upon my beach, left some gentle, stark reminder of your presence, of your being, and the feel of your bare feet, sinking, sinking. You moved with an air of lonely ease. You stood, more potent than feeling, strong against the breeze, and the fact that you shared your secret with me. This one is called The Process and was written in January 1990. Life is construction. We all want to be saved. We live learning how best not to fade away. As I clamber from the womb and climb into my grave, life is spent uncurling until straight I lay. This one is a bit more light-hearted and was written on the 30th of May 2025. It was written in my head while I was swimming. It's called Sneezes. During our relaxing swim, achoo! Michelle's resounding sneeze sends ripples down the pool at speed, ringing in my ears, jangling my nerves. These acoustics aren't great for sneezes like hers. Achoo! Upstairs, it's me now, in the changing room. Having her shower, Michelle, not bothered, continues to wash herself down. All the dirt and dust, germs and grime are rinsed away. 2 sneezes. Let's hope that's it for today.